Okay, so now available on my web store is I have Flexzilla hoses, both in 3/4 and 1/2 inch, available, which sells by the foot. Okay, so why Flexzilla? As you can see, I have all Flexzilla hoses in this cabinet in the Vapor Blaster, and I like it because it is lightweight and it's very flexible. Okay, and even very flexible in cold weather. Okay, I live in Chicago, and my garage is 45 degrees in the winter. Okay, I bump up the temperature when I come out here, but everything else is 45 degrees, right? So when you use a rubber hose like this, at 45 degrees, they seem to get very stiff. Okay, and if you can see, if I just go like this, look how much more flexible the green is. Okay, maybe this is a stupid test, but you get what I'm saying. Is I really like the Flexzilla hoses. So if you're buying the HTMR gun, this is a nice, it complements it very nice, these hoses. You can use it for the slurry, the air, and the closed loop, fresh rinse, even the open loop water lines, okay? So I outfitted this whole cabinet with 1/2 inch and 3/4 lines everywhere, and it works great. The reason I'm selling it by the foot is because otherwise you're forced to buy 75, 100-foot rolls, and you don't need that much. Okay, so I have suggested amounts in the product description on how much you need. Also, if you have a retail machine and you have black and red rubber hoses, then this will be a nice upgrade. Okay, and basically when you're blasting, you just get less fatigue in your hands from holding heavy hoses up all the time, right? So yeah, that's that. Also, this works great in the Vapor Blaster. I bought this stuff to use as my shop air hose, for air tools, running the impact across the floor and whatnot, and I actually didn't like it. Okay, it is so lightweight that it doesn't lay flat on the floor, kind of curls up a little bit, and I was actually tripping over it. It was actually hard to roll up like on a hose, on a hook or whatever. So I actually didn't like it for shop air. But for this guy, I love it. I won't go back to the rubber hoses. Okay? So if you want to buy some hose, I'll leave a link up here and in the video description. You can go to the web store. It sells by the foot and available both in 1/2 and 3/4 sizes.